In this beautiful country of ours, we at Juan Meralco Foundation have had the privilege of meeting some of the most amazing and most resilient people from the remotest corners of our more than 7,000 islands. We are honored to share with you the stories of some very special people, from far-flung and seldom heard of places like Mangkawayan Island facing the Pacific Ocean in Camarines Norte, Lamfugon, Lake Cebu in the mountains of South Cotabato, and Lupao in the rich and fertile lands of Nueva Ecija. Education holds the power to transform lives, especially in remote communities where access to resources is a daily challenge. Teachers go above and beyond, facing physical and logistical challenges to ensure their students have access to tools and experiences that enhance learning.
Very challenging nga kasi itatawid pa namin siya sa ilog, yung mga materials po na iyon. Gayon din kapag minsan dadalhin namin ang laptop dahil gusto naming mapa-experience sa bata na makakita ng mga videos na gagamitin sa pag-teach ng mga guro.
The spark of hope for the students comes not just from dedicated teachers, but also from the light and opportunities brought by electrification.
Hindi lamang po pagbibigay ito ng kuryente sa paaralan, kumbaga nagbubukas ito ng iba pang oportunidad para sa ating mga mag-aaral. Pag nakita nung bata pa lang na may laptop, na may TV, naaros yung motivation nila.
Electrification in remote areas goes beyond lighting up classrooms. It illuminates the entire community, strengthens connections, and brings hope for a better future.
Ito ay sumisimbolo sa mas maliwanag na bukas para sa ating mga kapatid na manghihad.
Parang may pag-asa. Kasi as teacher in charge sa mga batang ito, lagi kong binibitawan sa kanila na may maganda kayong kinabukasan mararating. Very thankful ako kasi yung liwanag, it gives us hope.
Like hundreds of Filipino students in off-grid areas, these students and teachers are now experiencing the transformative impact of our school electrification program. To date, we have energized 304 schools, helping create opportunities for enhanced learning and growth as we commit to bring light and hope to even more schools. The same is true for health. Energizing health centers is also our priority. In areas where hospitals are few and far between, these are the lifeline of the community. The absence of electricity has long hindered the delivery of essential health services, leaving many vulnerable in times of need.
Importanteng mapuntahan yung mga taong ngayon so that hindi unfair. Kasi part pa rin sila ng community natin. They are still Filipinos. And dapat meron tinatawag na equity.
Through Juan Meralco Foundation's Rural Health Center Electrification Program, brighter and more hopeful days have arrived. With solar power provided in health services, communities now enjoy immediate response during emergencies.
Salamat sa Meralco kay matagaan na kitang maayong serbisyo ang mga tao kag ang ilang health matagaan na sang madasigid nga response, ma'am.
For residents alike, these energized health centers symbolize not just improved healthcare, but also the equity and dignity every Filipino deserves, no matter how far their community may be.
Noong una ay nahirapan kami. Malayo yung health center. Walang gagamutan na malapit sa amin. Masaya kami. Andito po yung Juan Meralco Foundation na handang nagtutulong sa amin gaya ng solar light para sa health center namin.
Access to clean water is another priority. Juan Meralco Foundation partnered with barangays and local governments to solarize water systems so that safe drinking water can reach the homes of even the remotest of households.
Pag brand out, ma'am, actually wala gid kami sang tubig nga kuhaan. Tanan diri wala ligo, wala sang pang ano sa sapat. Tingwaon na mo niya makaabot kami. Makafan kami nga makaabot pagid ang tubig namon sa iba niya puro nga hindi maabot sa mga tubig.
With this sustainable solution, the community now enjoys the steady supply of water they once only hoped for, a testament to how renewable energy can transform lives. In the heart of Nueva Ecija, farmers face the constant challenge of securing resources to sustain their livelihoods. As One Meralco Foundation value farmers and agricultural cooperatives, the goal of providing an alternative to air-polluting diesel generators with solar-powered mobile irrigation pumps arise.
Yung kita namin bilang magsasaka ay lumaki. Lalo na nabawasan na yung pambili ng krudo. Tapos hindi na rin nangangamba yung iba naming miyembro, lalo na kung nasiraan ang patubig, ay maaari namin dalhin yung mobile solar irrigation para sa ganun hindi maantala yung kanyang pagpapatubig.
Through the support of One Meralco Foundation, farmers like Henry can now focus on increasing food production without the burden of power interruptions. A big and heartfelt thanks to the thousands of communities that have rallied behind One Meralco Foundation. Indeed, it takes a village to ignite and bring forth impactful and meaningful change. And we thank all of you for being part of that village. Together, let's spread the light and continue to bring hope to every Filipino.